In this video, I wanted to talk about different ways that you could show and hide tracks to help you in your editing and mixing process. I can see that I have 23 tracks. They don't all fit on screen. I just want to view my drum tracks. Maybe I just want to focus on editing or mixing my drums. Because I have already created groups, which I show how to do in another session, I could just highlight the tracks that are associated with my drums by clicking the little circle that's next to the group name in the bottom left of your screen. Then it will highlight all the tracks that are inside that group. Another thing that I can do is control click the group name on a Mac or Windows click the group name on a PC, and then it would show only the tracks that are within this group. So one way I could bring back all my tracks is to control click the all edit group, which is in every session. And then now you can see that I have all my tracks back. This is a neat feature, but one problem with it, it requires a mouse click. So if we're trying to get fast on Pro Tools, we want to use as many key commands as possible. You can utilize your markers to show only a certain amount of tracks with something called a show hide memory location. There are several ways to create a marker. If I have an extended keyboard, I can hit the enter or return key on the far right side in the keypad. Or if I'm on a Mac laptop, I can hit function and return on the main keyboard. Or in your markers ruler, you could hit the plus key, and then it brings up the new memory location window. Right now I'm using my markers to show me where my verses are, where my chorus is, etc. So instead, I'm going to make it so it does not actually put a marker in the marker ruler. I usually start this process by creating a show all tracks marker. This will make more sense once we get into the more finite groups here. So I'll create a marker. So I will make my time properties be none, and then it won't put a marker on the marker bar. And then I will select track visibility. I'm going to change the number to something somewhere down the line, like 100, so it doesn't get mixed up with my other markers. And I'm going to label it something like show all tracks. Hit enter, then go back down to the bottom left where my mix and edit groups are. Then control click on a Mac or Windows click on a PC, the drum group name. Then it will only show my drum tracks. Then I am going to create a new memory location and make sure that track visibility is checked again. Make sure that my time properties are set to none. I'm going to call this one show drums, and I'm going to put it at 101 for the marker number. Click OK. So then at this point, I can utilize my memory locations to show all tracks. And that takes me back to being able to see everything. And then now I can show drums to just show the drums. And then I would just repeat this process for each one of my mix and edit groups.